welcome to IGC. This is Nilambari and we have Mr. P. Ravi Shankar with us. He's from Sri Padmaraj Jewellers. Welcome, sir. Welcome to IGC.
Thank you so much.
What is the thing which you are following post COVID, and any changes what you have made in the manufacturing sector side? If you
See,
talk about
post COVID, we started giving importance to our employees.
right,
So their health is more important for
right,
us.
yeah,
So we started shifting, having enough space, sufficient space between each worker.
Okay.
And we kind of spreaded them out during the hours. Like instead of working for 8 hours, we were working a little extended hours, so that we didn't want the area to be crowded.
right.
So that's how we have been doing it. And each employee, before they enter the premises, they were properly checked.
Okay.
Their pulse meter and the temperature were checked. And once everything is okay, only we were allowing them to come inside. So that's how we've been taking the highest precautions for the safety of the workers.
So this is on the practice side if you're talking about. This is the
Yes.
practice. Anything you have changed in the business type due to COVID?
What happened during the COVID time, we started focusing. We are a pan-India supplier.
Right.
We started focusing more within our area. Like
Right.
we started focusing more in Tamil Nadu,
Yes.
Karnataka. So these places are much closer, and we were able to. Our products were in good demand for these areas also.
Right.
So this way we were able to get more work from the local areas, and we were able to give enough work to our workers during that COVID period.
Hallmarking, there were a lot of challenges which came around hallmarking, including the HUID. How did you cope up with it? How was the whole hallmarking process for you?
The biggest challenge during the HUID was the time the hallmarking centers were taking to complete their job. But luckily, our customers were able to understand, because it is a kind of an initial problem the whole industry we were facing. And everybody, they understood the kind of difficulties any manufacturer is going to face, and they agreed for the extended delay in their deliveries.
Okay.
But slowly now things are looking much better. So they are now happy. And even by this HUID, the end customer, they are much happier.
Yes.
So this way the business is going up.
Yes, they want more of the transparency in terms of when
Transparency in the
it comes to
business.
jewelry.
Yes.
Right. So where is your exactly a typical business area? Is it all based in Chennai and Tamil Nadu?
We supply pan India, like we supply in Delhi, Calcutta. We also have customers in Jaipur, Bombay, Bihar, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. We have we give around about 10 to 12 states.
So any challenges while you faced during this throughout the hallmarking other than the HUID part?
See, again, lot of damages. The handling of the jewelry were not proper in the initial stage. So, as a manufacturer, we were facing a lot of rework in our manufacturing. So now, even those people, they got they know what exactly they have to do. So now we don't face that much of problems from our hallmarking centers.
Great. If we talk on the production side of your business, so what's happening on the production side? What's your upcoming business plan? Or how, if you are trying to expand or something you would like to add on?
We are having our own in-house manufacturing and a new product development team. And as our customers' demands and expectations are growing every month on month, even our team, we are able to come up with new concepts of designs, and we are also trying to add new machines inside our factory to see that our products are a little different from what the customers are able to get from the market. And we have been participating in IAJs for the last 15 years.
Okay.
So that has helped our company and our team to understand, and we are ready to adapt to the changes what the market is expecting.
Yes. It was a huge success this time. The IIJS
Yes.
Bangalore was amazing, I guess. So it should be ideally the first question which I have missed out. I'm really sorry for that. Tell us about your company. We want to know in an elaborate manner what do you exactly do? Where is
Our company is Sri
associated?
Padmara Jewellers.
Yeah.
And we started this business since 1928.
Okay, so
It's
this
a
is
100-year-old company.
Okay, third generation maybe.
Fourth generation.
Oh
It's
my
a fourth
God,
generation.
this is amazing. Yeah.
Both my sons are in the business.
Okay.
One is an engineer, one is going to be a chartered accountant.
Oh my God.
So, I mean, my family, we are all very much involved in the business. I have to thank the ladies in the family for allowing us to,
Completely concentrate on the business.
yes.
Yeah.
Without their support, I don't think so any business will succeed.
Do you since you're manufacturing jewelries, so is it exported also?
We
Quite-
have a lot of export inquiries, and most probably from next year we are planning to
Do the
supply to the our
export.
exports. Yeah.
So who all are your main target customers? One section is the marriage customer. Other than that, there is a lot of lightweight jewelry which has come into the market. So who are your main target
If you
customers?
see, Coimbatore basically it is a manufacturing hub for lightweight jewelry.
Okay, that's what I
So
want
that
to
is
know.
a very big plus for our city, because already our karigars are used to this lightweight jewelry manufacturing.
Okay.
So it's only the design part we have to see that it is accepted by the millennials, and we are on it.
You're on it. So usually the target customers are mostly on the
Yes,
millennial.
it's both. Married and millennials, both are there.
Anything else which I have missed out you would like to add on to it?
In manufacturing, if you start focusing on your customers and you start focusing on your jewelry,
Yeah.
I think nobody can stop you in achieving your goals.
Amazing, amazing.
So I would only suggest any manufacturer to focus on their customers, and if it's going to be a customer-centric focus, then
You're
you
going to
can
achieve
really
anything.
achieve a lot of things.
Lovely, lovely. So how is IGC for you this time?
That's good. Meeting a lot of people, getting connected to a lot of them.
You like it?
Yes.
Thank you so much.